I'll show you how to create a template in DocuSign Esignature. This is perfect for anyone who frequently sends similar documents and wants to save time. Start by heading to docusign.com and clicking the login button in the top right. Enter your credentials or sign up if you're new. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, the central hub for all your documents. Next, locate the Templates section. This is where you can manage existing templates or create new ones. Click Create Template, then upload the document you want to use. This could be an NDA, contract, or any document that requires signatures or information. Now add fields for signatures, dates, text, or checkboxes. DocuSign's drag and drop interface makes it easy to place them exactly where you need. Once everything is set, save your template. And that's it. You've just created a reusable template in DocuSign, making your workflow faster and more consistent.